this thing, Dad?
Well, not getting any younger. Watching you guys having way too much fun out there on the trails. Thought I want to give it a try again. Been too many years.
Hear that, guys? I mean, he's 56 and he just picked up a dirt bike to go ride with us. So, I mean, what's your guys' excuse? What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We are finally reassembling the XR-200. Got the old man back here. He's hard at it, so I'm gonna crack the whip on him and get this thing put back together. Check out my old man back there doing work on this thing. It's shaping up, guys. Alright guys, so I hope you liked the build. I thought the bike turned out super sick, and you're probably wondering, has it been ridden yet? How's it perform? I'll just leave you with this clip right here. So as you can see, the old man was out there tearing it up on the XR. That was actually his first time riding it. We went straight to an off-road park and he hit pretty technical stuff on it really for a new rider. Bike performed flawlessly. You can't complain about these bikes. There's just not very much to go wrong with them. So yeah, it's been out a couple of times. I look forward to getting some more video, maybe some helmet cam footage of him or myself riding it. And yeah, just let me know in the comments if you guys are interested in like a full ride report, because I don't know how interested everybody is in these bikes, but yeah, I could probably in the spring do a nice full ride review of it. But I've got my cheat sheet here, and I'm just going to go through real quick on everything that we did to the bike from the time that we picked it up to how you see it now. So we really just cleaned it up. assessed everything. There's a video on that. Go check that video out. We did fork seals, oil, and we did a mod to space the springs in the forks out to give us a stiffer front end, because the stock front end on this bike was extremely soft. So we did that. While we were there, we went ahead and threw some new fork boots on just to clean everything up, get the front end freshened up. While we were there, we went ahead and did a new front brake cable and a new return spring. The front brake was hanging up just a little bit, and rather than fight the old crusty cable, we just went ahead and put a fresh cable on it. When we got the front end back together, we had some alignment issues. Turns out we had a bent triple clamp, but the great thing about these bikes is there's about 100 of them at any given time being parted out on eBay, it seems like. So we picked up a set of used triple clamps. I think he paid like 40 some bucks for them, and we used those, repainted them, cleaned them up, repainted them, replaced the bent triple clamp that we had. That got our front end all freshened up. Moving up top, bars. We did bars with a CR high bend just to get a taller handlebar on it. And then your typical grips, fresh grips on it. We replaced the throttle tube. It was cracked. And we did the Tusk D-Flex hand guards, obviously because it's a woods bike. So that's pretty self-explanatory. Outside of that, that was pretty much all the bolt-ons. Everything else was cleaning. He sanded the gas tank down with a DA sander. If you look back on the video where we're cleaning the bike up, any of the first two videos on the bike, you'll notice the gas tank was pretty roached. It was brown, just all stained from being old. He took a DA sander and sanded it down the best he could. It's not a showpiece, but it really made it look a lot better. Then we threw some eBay decals on it. Those are just generic XR decals from eBay. I don't think they were the right ones for this bike, but we just trimmed them and slapped them on there. And then the rest was just repainting some parts. He repainted the exhaust, sandblasted the exhaust, repainted it, foot pegs, kickstarter, things like that. And yeah, that's it. I mean, really, we didn't do very much to the bike. We didn't put really any parts on it. The rest was just cleaning it up, making sure, you know, we had shock adjusted right, chain tension correctly, took both drum brakes apart, cleaned and lubed everything, got everything set up and tuned and working right. But outside of that, that was pretty much it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the build. Thanks for tagging along. Thanks for everybody leaving comments, asking me questions, wanting to see the bike more. I wish I could show you the bike a little bit more. It's just I've been crazy busy. And yeah, so if you guys want to see more on the bike, for sure, let me know in the comments what you want to see, if you've got any specific questions you want answered. And yeah, so again, if you like the motorcycle videos, hit the subscribe button, hit like, and let me know in the comments, because it really does help me out. And thanks for watching. We'll see you guys on the next one. I hope to bring you a couple more motorcycle videos throughout the winter here. Unfortunately, I'm stuck with about 3 months ahead of me of bad weather here in the Midwest, but that's just the way it goes. So again, thanks for watching. See you guys on the next one.